Okay, this is question example 3 of PreCalc assignment 32, chapter 3-5. Okay. Before you do the example 3, which is this, I will strongly recommend to read 241 from this one. In living organic materials, and the ratio of the number of radioactive carbon isotopes, carbon-14, to the number of non-radioactive carbon isotopes, carbon-12, is about 1 to 10 to the 12th power. When organic materials dies, its carbon-12 contents remains fixed. Whereas radioactive carbon-14 begins to decay with the half-life of about 5,700 years. To estimate the age of death of organic material, scientists use the following formula. So this is the formula we have to carry on to the next question too. So the graph of R is shown at the right, which is this. R decreases as T increases. T is time increases, R decreases. R is the, I think it said ratio, but it might be the weight of the isotope, maybe? Might not sure. So this is one of the questions. So I will cut and paste this, and we can compare to the answer key later. Let's see. Okay. So now estimate the age of the newly discovered fossil for which the ratio carbon-14 to carbon-12 is R equal 1/10^13. So let me see. So this was the formula they gave us. And we have to plug into this. Okay. So now R equal this and R equal this. So we can just plug in the equation. Let's see. So I will rewrite a little bit later, so I don't want to mess up. So first I write down this. 1/10 to the 12th power there. The E is going here. So I put the multiplication sign here. E to negative T is a fraction too. So I put the parentheses here. Okay. So now I put the negative T over A to C. I hope they accept this information here. Oh, cool. So this is R for it's given, and this is a formula R. It's given. So I just cut and paste in this one. Okay. And you can put the equal sign. Oh, I'm sorry. I should have copied at the beginning. This one. I can type this one then. So equal to 1/10 to the 13th power. Okay. So this is the first equation you have to come up with. Okay. Now, we have to isolate. We have to estimate age. So T will be the age here. This is the model they gave us. T will be the age. So we have to get rid of the coefficient. To get rid of this coefficient, you have to divide by this number, right? Or maybe to get rid of this one. So we have to, this one divide by this number. So let's do that. So I will keep this one here. I wonder if your tool will, the whiteboard will accept this information. So let's see. So maybe I put the parenthesis at the big parenthesis, so it's easy to see. And I create this big parenthesis and put this information here, if I can. Oh yeah. Okay, so create the parenthesis. Fraction 1/10 to 12 power, and get rid of this. I hope they accept this. Good, they accept this. All right, now we have to do the equation here first. So this is the model I got from previous page. I put in here. This is the equation I did first. So this is the first work. Now we have to think about this. 1/10 to, so let me, we do the right hand side first, so it might be easier to look at it. Okay. Let's do the elementary division sign. Put the parenthesis. 1 to the 10, 1/10 to the 12th power. Okay, now when you see this, you just change the multiplication or reciprocal. So 1/10 to 13th power. This time is times fraction. Oh, let's use that. Then I use the same thing over here. Fraction here. Not the fraction, parenthesis. So it's going to be fraction reciprocal, right? So this is reciprocal of this. So 10 to the 12th power over 1. Okay. Now, if you have exponents like this, you will cancel this, right? As a subtraction. So 13 minus 12 is 1. So 10 to the first power is going to be the denominator, which is 10, isn't it? So 10 to the first power is going to be denominator, which is 10, and it's cancel out to 1. Okay? So this is on the side equation, and we come up with 0.1 here. Which is 1/10. Now, let's use only these two information. So I will cut and paste. I get rid of this. So we're going to be clean to see everything like this. Okay. Now, this information should be alone. Is this? Wait a minute. Okay. This is really confusing. I noticed this is the exponents. So what can I do? The indication is, it looks like E times this one, but it's exponents. So I should have noticed a little bit earlier. So I can make it a little bit smaller and make this place with white background if I can. Let me see, let's do quick. Didn't think about this, sorry. White background is maybe very receptive. So now it's everything racing here. I wrote down as a exponents, but this two didn't appear as exponents. This is exponents information. So this is the same thing here. So it's exponent. So I will use this picture. It's better. And get rid of this. Right. So this one become here. Okay. So now this looks much better. E to the exponents of this will equal 0.1. Now, what can we do to get rid of E and exponents? First, you have to do natural log both sides. Oh, too bad. We can't get the natural log information here because it's not, this become a picture. Let's see. I'll do my best. So now I put natural log information here. Natural log and 0.1, right? This part is 0.1. Natural log. Okay. Again, I will create a picture. So I will just cut and paste it. So this is new equation. See, it looks like a multiplication, so I will put this on the side. Now, natural log, so this one, you can put this on the front because natural log sign here. Front here. So now I can write down this crazy information here. If this is in the front, and get rid of the exponents, multiplication sign, maybe it might be easier here. This will be one. This will be one. Okay. Okay, and this will be one because log base E of E is one. So next one is maybe I cut and paste. I will erase this one, become one, so I will just cancel out. Cancel out. Okay, now this become algebra. Negative t over 8,000. So instead of negative t, I make it positive t and let the other guy carry on negative. So it's not the same information. Okay. And now it's a cross multiplication. T times 1 is t. And natural log of this one is going to be natural log 0.1. Natural log of 0.1 times 8,223. This, there's the multiplication sign you have to have. This will be the answer. Okay. Let's see. So I will clean up here. Natural log of 0.1, close, multiply negative 8 to 3. Okay, I got this information. It's 18,934 years. Let's see, I wonder if I had. I didn't finalize the answer, so I have to look at the answer key of your textbook. So let's see. Hope it's right. Oh, look, 18,934 matches. Okay, so that's it. So that's the end of the video. This is example 3.